Good morning, YouTube. Actually, it's afternoon. Laura was sleepy this morning. We just got packed up, and I think Laura wants to avoid the storm.
Yeah, I think we're gonna come down the mountain and maybe go into a town somewhere where it's gonna be easier to get out of here when we're ready to leave.
Well, it's snowing. We made it from the back porch to the front porch, and it's already snowing. Okay, we are gonna go slide down off the mountain because it's starting to snow and they're not gonna get this plowed for quite some time. So we wanna be at least down towards the city a little bit more so we have access to stores and stuff. Well, y'all can see the snow coming down now. It's wet snow too. None of it's really sticking as of yet, but it should be getting pretty deep here in a bit. Well, we have made it into town. That's an angry woman. That looks like Laura in the morning. I said that lady looks angry like you in the morning. I look like the bear, you said?
Yeah, I might look like that lady in the morning. You look like a bear in the morning.
Okay. That's because I'm furry and strong.
Down here, cricket fight.
Are there crickets fighting?
In China.
Got the moonshine.
Daily diet.
Let's go look at these contortion boxes.
There's safety nets. You've lost one. He's wearing a Drake hat, but he looks pretty hippie.
I don't know what's in this one. It won't light up. Oh wait, a beaver tail.
Oh. Beaver, beaver. Look, you saw a bear. I told you we'd see a bear. Well, we are still in Gatlinburg, and you can see it's snowing up on the mountain. And it's all white out up there. It's supposed to start snowing here in a bit. Yeah.
This one ain't even on the list. Alright, so say bonus set.
please. And I started getting like,
Yeah.
we have decided to stay in Gatlinburg and do some drinking.
Hot toddy time.
Hot toddy.
Yeah.
Well, we are still in Gatlinburg. We're gonna go get something to eat at Cherokee Grill. And then we're gonna check into our room. Now that we're in civilization and not the cabin. Yeah, up here on the right. What up? Just showing you all the points. Well, here comes the snow.
It ain't looking like it's gonna let up neither.
No, I think we're gonna be stuck here tomorrow.
Hey, that's all right with me.
Better mean stuck up on the mountain.
Exactly. Knoxville is only 45 minutes away if I got to drive on Tuesday morning.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. You got work. I caught 2 of them.
It was amazing.
There it is.
We are sitting in the hot tub, letting it snow on us right now.
Woo! Drinking moonshine.
Drinking moonshine.
What else are we ever
I was
doing?
done. Like
It is starting to come down quite a bit. You can see it on the lenses.
And my dad was so disappointed because like he
And everyone's
was-
still hanging
he
tight.
owned a
Nice
construction
and warm
company.
here.
He owned a construction company, and he was always like,
Well, it is still snowing a little tiny bit. It was coming down pretty heavy this morning. That is the hot tub. And that's where we finished our night off. We hung out in the hot tub, had a great time. We played tourist all day, ran around with Lane and Alex, and Laura's still sleeping. It's still snowing some, you can see. We didn't get dumped on as much as we thought we were. I'm still glad we came down to the city though, because we didn't want to get stuck up in the cabin. And we got to start making our way back to South Carolina. So we had a great weekend. I hope y'all had a great weekend. We're going to see what today brings. I know I'm going to put another video out, and heck, we might end up back down there in the hot tub again. I don't know. Never know what's going to happen. But y'all have a great one. We'll talk to y'all soon.